Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the top free AI video generators in 2026. Alright guys, so you want high quality videos in 2026 without actually spending a dollar. Here are the top free AI video generators you can start using for now. All right, so the first one being Pika Labs. It's the best for realistic AI videos. So it says here, create AI videos, the best AI video generator for text to video creation. Free trials available, which means you will be able to download your videos once you're done. Generate videos with state of the art models, templates, and inspiration feed. So basically, you could even check out some of their templates. Now, in order to access this, just head over to um, Pika Labs. So just go ahead and search for Pika. It's an AI platform. So just click here and it's going to open up. So basically, Pika is one of the most powerful free AI video tools. You can simply type a prompt, upload an image, or sketch something, and Pika would actually turn it into a full motion clip. It is best for product ads, cinematic scenes, character shots, animations, and even on the free plan, you still get high quality renders with fast processing. So Pika is just the best, actually. Now, moving on to the next AI platform you could try out, we have CapCut. So basically, CapCut has an AI generator you could actually make use of. Let's simply use the CapCut's app. So just go ahead and open up CapCut. Basically, CapCut actually has a free plan, but there would be some restrictions in terms of how many content or how much content you can actually generate. There would be restrictions. And also, CapCut has a free AI template for TikTok, Reels, YouTube, and stuff. And you can basically generate auto edited clips. Here it is, the AI design. So you could basically make use of CapCut to do things like this. But sometimes you would be required to pay for CapCut Pro, which is a feature. As you can see here, we have the AI video maker. So basically, when you click on this, you're taken to CapCut's AI video maker, where you simply enter a prompt. Basically, you enter a prompt, tell it what you want, and then you can even run a script into a video. You can turn a script into a video. We have the instant AI video, avatar video, watch media to script in one click, brainstorm, and you can just click a new project to actually begin creating some content. But like I said, most of it is paid for. So you're going to have to pay for the services. If you want to save the video, you're going to have to pay for it in order to do any saving of content. Now, the next AI you could try out is InVideo. So, InVideo has their AI you could try. InVideo lets you paste the script and you can get an instant full video with a voiceover, scenes, transitions, and stock footage. So basically, NVIDIA AI can actually give you what you're looking for based off of the fact that you can create videos by just simply typing a text prompt, just like you would ask a human editor, and then generate videos with powerful visuals, voices, and text using just one AI tool. Now, the thing here, or the caveat here, would be you would actually have to pay for some of the services, as most of these services aren't free and are basically not guaranteed to work for free. All right, moving moving over to the next, we have Runway Gen 3 Alpha. So basically, Runway's Gen 3 model is the best for creative videos and surreal visuals. You can generate camera movements, VFX style shots, and hyper realistic scenes. If you are a designer or filmmaker, this gives you Hollywood level of quality for free. So yeah, you can actually make the most out of Runway if you know what you're doing. So here we go. The Runway Gen 3 Alpha is one of, if not the first of the next generation of foundation models, trained by Runway on a new infrastructure built for large scale multi-model training. So basically, you could train this model, you're helping them out by giving a task. Now, the last one we have here is HeyGen. So HeyGen is actually an interesting platform. You can upload your audio, and HeyGen's AI-powered system will generate the videos automatically. It syncs the speech and visuals to create a realistic AI avatar. So I could have my voice sent to HeyGen and get something crazy out of it, basically. So you could work with image to video, the HeyGen app in case you want it on your phone, text to video, lip sync, and pricing. So basically, you're going to have to check out their pricing plans so you're sure you can actually afford what has been mentioned on here. Now, an honorable mention would be Leonardo Motion for stylized animations. So, Leonardo's motion tool lets you turn your images into moving art, like animated posters, game trailers, systematic ads, and it has a free credit review every day, so it's quite affordable as compared to the rest. And another bonus is OpenAI Sora. So if it's actually available, it takes like you can produce content for like 10 to 15 seconds max. But if Sora is open in your region, you can use it to create the most realistic AI videos ever. Like it's got no competition. All right, guys. So these are the best free AI video generators for 2026. Comment if you want a breakdown on some of the AIs. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.